మేడం
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసేది ఉంది సార్. స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి సార్. స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయండి సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఓకేమా, మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో యూక్లిడ్ డివిజన్స్, యూక్లిడ్ జామెట్రీ గురించి చెప్పుకుంటూ వచ్చాం కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి యూక్లిడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏంటి, నార్మల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏంటి, యూక్లిడ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏంటి జామెట్రీ పరంగా అనేవి చూద్దాము. ఓకే మా, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ జామెట్రీ. Elements of geometry. Elements of geometry. Actually, without these elements, we can't create the, we can't draw the geometry figures and geometry. In our earth, all of the elements are connected to this geometry. Okay. First of all, we have to know what is the plane, point, line, and line segment. In previous classes, all of you have the idea about the plane, point, line, and line segments. But we call what are the plane and point. First of all, plane. Plane is any surface. Any surface of region to draw the figures. If this board is a plane, I'm thinking this board is a plane. And these surface is also a, we call plane. Again, the earth is also a plane. We can draw anything on these surfaces. So this is the board. It is also one of the plane. So
మేడం వాయిస్ క్లారిటీగా లేదు మేడం.
yes ma'am.
మీ వాయిస్ క్లారిటీగా లేదు మేడం.
ఓకే మా, ఓకే మా. నో మా, ఇప్పుడు కూడా లేదా మా?
ఇప్పుడు ఉంది మేడం.
వర్షం పడుతుంది, సో దాని వల్ల అయి ఉండొచ్చమ్మా. ఓకే ఓకే. నౌ ద బోర్డ్ ఈస్ treated as plane. Any paper, the earth. So these are the planes. Next, point. Point is just a simple dot. All of you know this is a point. Sometimes it may be this. So anyway, a point. Most of the girls by joining these points, they create the rangolis. Your sisters and your mothers, all of you see that point. So it is a small point, which a small point is called a point. Next, line. Here, line is the sum of the points. Here, a line is the infinity. Points are joining is called line. Here, in these lines, we have the points, but we can't see the points when we draw this. Here also we have some points, but it is the behind the line. Behind the line, there is some of the points are there. What much of the points? you can't count because of it is a infinity points present in a line. మీరు చెప్పగలరా ఇన్ని పాయింట్స్ అని కౌంట్ చేస్తారా?
No,
ఇన్ని
madam.
పాయింట్స్ అంటే
మేడం
ఎస్మా ఇన్ఫినిటీ. మ్యూట్ యువర్ డివైస్ మా. విజయ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ డివైస్ మా. Next line segment. Here all of you know the difference between what is the line and what is the line segment. It is the important ma. Next classes you may be confused what is the line and what is the line segments. It is the important point. Here first of all know the meaning of segment. Segment means it is a part. Here it is a part. Each piece is called a part. All of you know. We cut the cake. This is the some part. So the part is called the segment. Here the line doesn't have the ends. So it may be extended this side and it is extended this side. But the line segment is have the two ending points only. A line is drawn between the two ending points. Here we have the only two ending points is called the line segment. Okay, what is the ray? The ray means only one ending point and the line is forwarded. Either right side or it may be a ray in left side. So a ray has only one ending point. Okay. These points, plane, line segment. These four are the basic elements of geometry. These four are the basic elements of geometry. Without this, we can't draw any figure. You mean art class, all of you draw trees and all of you know how to draw the trees. Without this, okay, let us see. Here a ray. Ray has a point and the line. Ray carries the one end point and the line. Here, what are the elements? మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏముంది పాయింట్ ప్రెజెంట్ అయింది, లైన్ కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్రెజెంట్ అయింది. Without this we can't draw the ray. In the same way, angle. If two rays, their end points are coincide. Here we know the ray. What is the ray? It is the one ray and this is the another ray. If those two rays are coincide and coinciding, this is the infinity distance. It may be slow, but we have the one end point. We join the end point. It is the angle. If these two rays coincide with each other, that corner point is called angle. The degree of rotation is called angle. ఇక్కడ మీరు యాంగిల్ ని ఎలా ఫౌండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు? ఇన్ కేస్ ఇక్కడ మనము ప్రొజెక్ట్ పెట్టేసి వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇది ఇనిషియల్ అయితే ఇలా తీసుకుంటాము, టర్మినేటింగ్ అయితే ఇలా యాంగిల్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ కార్నర్ పెట్టేసి మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా, ఇలా పెట్టేసి చూస్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు రేను యాంగిల్ ని చూస్తాం. ఇంకా ఎన్ని చోట్ల మనం ప్రెజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇవే కదా మనకున్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ జియోమెట్రీలో, కాబట్టి చెప్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ మనం ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూసుకుందాం. ట్రయాంగిల్ లో ఏమేమి ప్రెజెంట్ అవుతాయో చూద్దాం. మనకు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నో హౌ టు డ్రా ద ట్రయాంగిల్. Here is the 1 point, here is the 1 point, here is the by what is the end. మనకి ఎండ్ పాయింట్స్ అంటే మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము, దాన్ని లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ అనుకున్నాం. సో the triangle is formed by the 3 line segments by joining 3 line segments. A triangle is formed by the joining of 3 line segments. Not only triangle ma, any of the polygon is formed. Polygon is nothing but a closed figure. Any closed figure is formed by these 4 elements. What are that? These are the basic elements. Without these, we can't create the geometrical figures. Okay, fine. These are in case of we have the 4 line segments, what we call quadrilateral. Next, pentagon. In the same way, the line segments increases. We gave the names hexagon, octagon. If there is a 8 line segments are present, we call as octagon. Next, okay, fine. This triangle is formed with 3 line segments, and quadrilateral is formed with 3 line segments. What about circle? All of you have the doubt. If you don't have the doubt, I have that doubt. I have to clarify that how it is applicable. All of you know we have the 2 types of lines. What is that? One is the straight line. Straight line. ST means straight line. And next curved line. Curved line. All of you in 7th class and 8th class, all of you draw the curved line with by using round. ఇలా డ్రా చేసి ఉంటారు కదా. Yes, that is the curved line. Okay. This is a circle. Okay, you have to adjust that one. Okay, this is a circle. This is the one curved line. Okay, this curved line has the set of points are present. Yes, points are present. Okay, how to we define the circle? The set of points which are equidistant from the center. Every point have the same distance. What we call that the same distance? That is nothing but radius. Okay, points which are equidistant from the fixed point is called circle. Okay, it is a curved line segment. It is not a line, but it is a curved line segment. We call it is a curved line segment. Okay, this is a circle. Fine. What about hemisphere? Semicircle. What about semicircle? This is a semicircle. How to draw semicircle? You have to adjust to it. What I draw is the semicircle. Okay, this is the semicircle. The half of the circle is called semicircle. Okay, how do you define it is a semicircle? By using these elements in geometry, basic elements annaru. Ela find out cheyochu ante we have this is the line segment. One of the line segment is present and the curved line segment is also present. This is the same. This is the R. semicircle is also curved line segment plus line segment. By using curved line segment and line segment, we draw the semicircle. Okay, ma. What is the 1D, 2D, 3D figures? What are the 2D, 3D? Let us see. Okay, is it clear, ma? May I erase this? Okay. Euclid is the greatest mathematician, ma. Okay, next, ma. First of all, 2D. Here, all of you, D means dimensions. Dimensions. Okay, a point has the only one dimension. One dimension means point. What about 2 dimension? 2 dimension means 2D. 2 dimensions. What about the 2 dimensions? Okay. Here, Seema, what is the 2 dimension? All the drawing figures are the 2 dimensions. Here, what is this? This is the, I think this is the rectangle, which has the length and the breadth. Only we have the 2 measurements, and which is the drawn on board or which of the anything ఏదైనా సరే మనము వేయగలిగినదంతా మనకి అది 2D ఫిగర్స్. కాబట్టి మన అజంప్షన్ కోసం సమ్ టైమ్స్ అజంప్షన్ గా గీస్తూ ఉంటాము. ఈ క్యూబ్ ను ఇలా గీస్తాం కదా, అప్పుడు మాత్రం మనము కానీ ఇది కూడా మనల్ని కరెక్ట్ గా డిఫైన్ చేయలేము. చూద్దాం. విచ్ హ్యాస్ ద ఓన్లీ 2 measurements. Okay, now I am drawing this. It is the 2 dimensions because of it has the 2 dimensions, length, 2 measurements, which are the length, breadth. Okay, move to the 3D. Okay, which has the length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. Those who has the length, breadth, height is called the 3D figure. Okay, it is called the 3D dimensions. Any object we called as a 3D dimensions because of it has some weight. 3D dimension, 3D objects are the some weight and some shape. Okay, now I'm showing one of the figures. Sorry, one of the box. What is the shape of the box, ma? What is the shape
Cube,
of the box? Yes,
Cube.
it is a cube. So it has the length, breadth, height. So మనము హోల్డ్ చేయగలిగిన ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ మనకు 3D ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇది క్యూబ్. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఇది ఏ షేప్ లో ఉంది? Cylindrical. Very good. This is a cylinder shape. So it is a cylindrical shape. So it is also 3D figure. In the same way, ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అయినా మనం ఏదైతే which object we can hold is called the 3D object. Okay, I am showing the one more thing. Is it 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional, ma?
3, madam.
3. How you can say?
Cuboid, madam, ఇది.
నేను చూపించేదమ్మా. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఎలా చెప్తున్నారు? వెరీ గుడ్, బాగా చెప్తున్నారు.
లెంత్, బ్రెడ్త్, హైట్ కూడా ఉంది మేడం.
Yes. In this corner we have the height. Whatever the height, ma. A small paper. If I am holding this paper, it is also a 3D object. It has the point 0.00001 mm, whatever it may be. Any object what we can hold, that is called the 3D object. Okay. Next. Okay, you can classify 1D, 2D, 3D. Okay. Next one, axioms and postulates of elements of geometry, Euclid's elementary. Okay, these are the a point which has the no part. Okay, I will share you, ma. Here, ma, Euclid in elements, Euclid writes the elements of the geometry 13 rules in one book. Some of the points here.
వాయిస్ క్లారిటీగా లేదు మేడం.
అమ్మా వర్షం పడుతుంది, మీరు సిగ్నల్ ఉన్న దగ్గర ఉండండి అమ్మా, మీరు సిగ్నల్ ఉన్న దగ్గర ఉండండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, హియర్ ఎ పాయింట్ విచ్ హ్యాస్ నో పార్ట్. మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, పాయింట్ అంటే మనకి అక్కడ ఎక్కువ స్పేస్ తీసుకోదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్, ఏ లైన్ ఈజ్ ఏ బెర్త్లెస్ లెంత్. అంతేగా, మనకు మనం లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తాం కదా, మనం లైన్ డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు దానికి బ్రెడ్త్ ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. కాబట్టి ఏ లైన్ ఈజ్ ఏ బ్రెడ్త్లెస్ లెంత్. ద ఎండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైన్స్ ఆర్ పాయింట్స్. లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ లో చెప్పుకున్నాము, బిట్వీన్ 2 points there is a line segment. Next, a straight line is a line which lies evenly with the points on itself. Straight line ko even ga same points ఉంటాయి. Vijay, mute your device. Vardhan, you also mute your device. Vijay, mute your device. Next, a surface is that which has length and breadth. The edges of the surface are lines. A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with the straight lines of itself. Surface అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ నేను ఇంకా ఇలానే పేర్చుకుంటూ పోయాను అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది? అది సర్ఫేస్ అండి. సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ ఈవెన్లీ have with the straight lines. Next, axioms and postulates. First of all, briefly, assumption is throughout the mathematics and not specifically linked to geometry. These are the universal truths. Here some of the Euclid axioms. Things that are equal to the same thing are also equal to one another. Here, things that are equal to the same thing are also equal to one another. ఇక్కడ మనకి I will show you. things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Next వచ్చేసి if equals are added to equals, then the whole is equal. Here I am taking 2 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. 2 equal to 2. ఏమన్నారు, it equals are added to equals to, then the whole are equal. ఇక్కడ మనం ఒక 2 LHS 2 తీసుకున్నాను, RHS 2 తీసుకున్నాను. If equals are added, equals means that means I am taking equal is 1 and we add the both sides 1, the result is equal. This is the point ma. It equals are added to equals, then the wholes are equal. ikkada manaki LHS equal to RHS ani proof chesam. Next వచ్చేసి if equals are subtracted from equals, then the remainders are equal. In the same way, I am taking here 3, again LHS equal to, if we subtracted 2 from these things, 2 is the equal to 1 and then the result is equal. The remainder are equal. It is the fourth point. Next, things that coincide with one another are equal to, ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, థింగ్స్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి థింగ్స్ దట్ వన్ అనదర్ ఈక్వల్ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయినాయి అంటే ఆ రిజల్ట్స్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్తున్నాను. డోంట్ రైట్ ద హోల్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఎ పాట్. అందరికీ తెలిసిందే. హియర్ ఈజ్ this is the whole. I am taking, this is the one of the pot P. So P is whole means C. I am treating circle. So whole is greater than the pot. The remaining is I am treating as R. In C is C equal to P plus R is equal. Here things which are half the same thing are equal to one another. Okay, ma. Some disturbance is there. I will continue. Here, children, ma. Things which are halves of the same thing are equal to one another. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ మనకి ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసామనుకోండి, ఇందులో హాఫ్, వీటిలో హాఫ్ వచ్చేసి ఆ హోల్ కి half of the sum is equal to one another. ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఈక్వల్ అనుకోండి. ఇక్కడ థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ డబుల్ ఆర్ సేమ్, ఇది ఇక్కడ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్, దీనికి ఇన్వర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది మా. ఇవి రెండు థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ హాఫ్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వన్ అండ్. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏదైతే హాఫ్ చేస్తామో ఈక్వల్ గా ఈ హాఫ్ ఈక్వల్. నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ డబుల్ ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు వన్ అండ్. ఇఫ్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసి డబుల్ చేసామనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ చేసిన దానికి ఈక్వల్ అని చెప్తా ఉన్నాడు. దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఈక్వల్ యాక్సియమ్స్. Next ma, postulates ఉన్నాయి. Postulates చూద్దామా. First postulate చూడండమ్మా. A straight line can be drawn from any one point to another point. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఏమన్నారు? స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ అనేది ఒక 2 పాయింట్స్ మధ్య నుంచే పోతుందంట. స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ crosses, but it is the wrong mark because of we can draw multiple lines with that point, that straight line, that point. Here we have the point. He states that only one line we can draw between the points, but we can draw multiple lines like this. So it is a
Just out thinking.
postulate.
Yeah, do you want a district irrigation officer? No cost.
1 minute. Okay. Here this postulate states that here in this figure we draw multiple lines by using that point. Okay. Next, move to the second postulate. Here he states that a terminated line can be further produced infinitely, and that means we can extend the line infinitely. Here is in simple words we call a line segment was defined a terminated line by Euclid. Therefore this constant we can extend the line segment. Here both sides. Here in this figure we have the line in between the A and B points. We can uniformly extend it by left side and the right side. So AB can be extended as shown to the in between these both sides. Venkat Karthik, mute your device. The third one is the third postulate is a circle can be drawn with any area and any radius. Okay, all of you know how to draw a circle. The measurement is the radius may be changes, but we can draw any circle with the center by using the, if radius is increasing or decreasing, by using the radius is increasing and decreasing. Okay, move to the next. Fourth postulate, ma. All right angles are equal to one another. Here, all of you know how to draw. Sorry. All of you know how to draw a right angle. And these right angles are mutually 90 degrees, makes an angle mutually 90 degrees. In case of I'm drawing this like this, the angle between these two lines also 90 degrees, and I'm drawing this. Sorry, it may be some time. Okay. Here, in between these lines, it makes the angle 90 degrees. So mutually, they make the angle 90 degrees. The fifth postulate is very important one, ma. The many of the mathematicians made many works on this postulate. Here, if a straight line falling on one on two other, straight line makes the interior angle on the same side of it taken together the less than 2 right angles. That means less than 180 degrees. Then two straight lines you produce indefinitely meet one of the sides. Next mark, I will give the explanation. Here, the fifth postulate means here there is a two line segments are present, which are the parallel, but they are meet one another any one of the points. Again, one straight line is their interior angles. All of you know how these are the interior angles. These interior angles makes angle less than 180 degrees. Is it sufficient? No, because of a line is following one another. Here it is the second line is makes it is coming like this way, but any of the one of the point it may they may be coincide. Here their angles may be in that point it may be makes an angle 180. So how we can how you can tell the interior angles are less than 180? It is not possible is the fifth postulate. Okay, by on these 5 postulates